Hello, Eddie. What would you like to tell us today? Really? And then what happened? Right. And what did you think of your breakfast this morning? And did you like the way Mummy and Daddy woke you up? And did they bring you breakfast in bed? Did they bring you breakfast in bed? Go on then, let's have a smile, shall we? Are you going to give us a smile? Are you going to give us a smile? Give us a smile, or are you too busy eating your hand? Your fist? Go on, give us a smile. You're looking at Daddy now. Have you gone camera shy now? Is Daddy trying to make you smile? Go on then. No, too busy eating your fist. Is that more interesting? Go on then, give us a smile. Say hello. Hello, Mummy. Are you going to give us a smile? Go on then. No. No smiles this morning. Say hello. Give us a smile. Go on, give us a smile. No, yeah. Yeah. Really? Yeah. That sounds like great fun. Really? Fantastic. And does that mean Mummy get me out of this nappy now? That means Mummy, change my nappy. Is that what that means? Yeah. Okay then. All right then. Should we get that nappy changed? Oh! Cough, cough, cough. Go on then. We'll get that nappy changed then. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.